Sorry, I'm back. And we're going to be doing Minecraft modding. We're going to be looking at adding, we're going to be, did I spell behaviors right? Hold on. Behaviors. Is that correct? Yeah. So what we're actually going to do is, we've already got, exit. Oh, that didn't show up on the stream. It's my work. Anyway, I can edit that out. So I will need the community edition. Hopefully this will pop up. Yeah, there. And we'll be looking at the video. I need to go to the terminal. Actually, let's look at commit to see if there's any changes we haven't pushed up. Now these with changes we don't need to push up. So let's see. Yeah, the username carrots, and then right, we don't want the later version of Gradle because IntelliJ needed that. Here is something that we do need to just double check that these are all just none of these are necessary. These are just modules. This is all, it should be .idea. As long as everything's in .idea, yeah, so none of that's necessary. Okay, great. Switch back to the project, and we're gonna do, I really hope you guys can see this, can read it. Now what I'm going to do, what we need, it works now, our changes work. We need to run the server and the client now, and test that everything works the way it did before, and that our changes didn't break anything that that was working previously. Because what we're going to do is create an MR, or excuse me, a PR against I forget how did we fix this? I don't remember. This was fixed, so it's run server. Don't remember how we fixed this last time. Let's see. Let's try it again. When in doubt, just run the build again. Isn't that weird? Like it did not work. You know what? Sometimes maybe it has like oh wait, I need to change my category too. I'm sorry. Give me a minute. Software and game development. Here we go. RLCraft. I'll just use that as a tag. Craft modding, adding behaviors. It's just the same. I just have to type this. I have realistic torches. I'm going to create my next project is going to be an OBS plugin that switches your stream information based on the scene you have loaded. Because it's annoying. Adding behaviors, having to retype this crap out every time and switch the stupid category and switch my tags up and all that is annoying as crap, and I don't understand why we have to do it every time, because there should be a stupid plugin that does it for you. Anyway, we need to have that. So, done there, and all right, the server's working. The server's up, the client's up. What we need to do is test our torches. So, here we go. We got a lit torch. Is that what this is? Lit torch, torch. Yeah, the torch lit name, something like that right there. I don't know why it's like that, but whatever. Probably screwed something up. Anyway, I think I'm in creative mode. Yeah, so it doesn't matter anyway. So right click, boom, torch. Why is this sound like? I noticed this last time. There's no sound. Okay, boom, 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 and then boom. So this one should burn longer than these. Quite a bit longer. Okay, good. Yeah, good. Those are going out now. Yeah, and that one's going to burn for a while. I think that one will burn for a full minute, and these burn for like 10 seconds because, just to test that that's different. But it's still just because there's a setting you can do. So, and there's another. Okay, so now the next thing we actually need to do is, since we tested that this works, and I don't know why we're ending up with these long ass names though. Excuse me, I didn't mean to cuss there. The long names. But so now we can light these with the matchbook, and they should burn for a long time because that's like a standard way to light the torches, and they should burn for a long time. We can put, but if we take this one and light it with a lit torch or a regular torch, yeah, we should see that this one should go out much faster than the others. Just double checking that that's still the case. There, it went out. Okay, all right. So, in case you're wondering, we should just join this and like what the hell is this? Basically, what we've done is you can now light torches, at least with this change. You can light torches with, oh, that must be a torch. You can light torches with lit torches. So see, I'm not using a matchbook or a flint and steel. I'm using a lit torch and I'm lighting them. See, but when you do that, so I'll put a regular lit torch down. When you do it that way, they don't burn for as long. Now I've set it to be like 10 seconds, so it's for testing. And for these burn for like a minute. But you can see that the ones that you use if you use a matchbook, it burns for much longer than if you use a torch. Like I'll light all these with a torch, and you'll see they'll go out before this one does. So I'm just double checking that we got that right. There we go. So now they're all going out. Cool. And this should go out after a minute. Let's just make sure this one won't go out because that's a torch, like just a regular. Oh, wait, these might be torches too, actually. Take that back. That's a lit torch. So let's light that with the lit torch. Just quadruple checking that this works. So those four in the back should go out because they're only going to go out for 10 seconds. But this one should go out after a minute. Yeah, it burned for much longer than those did. Anyway, so that's working correctly. So what we need to do now is verify that there's also these we're going to verify our config works. So there's these configuration settings for, now we know now that torch, we know this one works. The one that we want to check is this one right here, light with torches. And I think we also need, it should be false by, it's false by default, but we just added that. So now we can, so it's torches, torch light with torches. So let's quickly search for this. That's config handler. I must not have set it or something. We know it's false here, and we know it's there. Here's where it's actually in the code where it's used, but it looks like we've never set it. So let's look for lit by torch burnout time. Oh no! I know what the problem is. We've got you can't see it, but in the search, when I'm searching, I have, yeah. So here's where we actually, I guess, set it in the config here. But there's more than just this, I think. Let me look for this one. Yeah, no, I take that back. So this is where we set it. Like torch by burnout time here, 20 ticks is 1 second, so it's 10 seconds. But that's not the default. But here's what we want to do. We want to set this to false and just verify that doing that turns off the light by torch behavior. So run client. And now, yeah, we didn't run it. Did we run? We ran the client, and then okay, we run the client first. I should have run the server. Well, the client takes forever to load. What am I thinking? Actually, I think that nope. Oh, it's not Railcraft. It's just this one. The only we only have 5 mods loaded right now for realistic. The ones that are necessary for realistic torches only. Anyway, let's get back to this. Now, when we try this, it should, it won't let us light torches with torches. So let's see what happens here. I have a lit torch. If I right click, yeah, see, now it's going back to the other behavior of not, yeah, I can't light the torch now. That's right. Now, can I, do we want to see this? Yeah, we can light them with the matchbook. Yeah, cool. I'll light you on fire. I'm light you on fire. Which you. Hey, you got a wart on your node. Did you notice that? Okay. So. Anyway. That's it. So these go out after a minute because I have it set. The settings are much lower. So what do we have for? The only thing I do want to see is, yeah. So what it is though. So 720. This is in ticks. 20 of those is a second. So 72,000 divided by 20 means 36 seconds, which is 3,600 seconds, which I believe is an hour. Yeah, it's an hour. So that means if you light it by the torches, it's 10 minutes. So it's 10 minutes here, or I mean it's an hour here and 10 minutes here. As far as I know, right? No, I don't. Wait. Is that right? Or is it 6 minutes? Because you divide by 10, right? So, yeah, because it'd be it's 1/10 of an hour, which is six minutes, right? So 60 minutes. Yeah, because 60 times 0.1 is going to be 6. Of course it is. I mean, duh. So this is actually 6 minutes. This is 60 minutes. This is 6 minutes. And my thinking was that that's enough to get you through the night. If you put a bunch of torches down, you have another torch, you could light them, and get you through the night. And, for that one night. And it's just kind of a neat mechanic to have. So the only problem is when we, everything seemed to work fine. To me, I don't know. I mean, we turned it off, it worked. It was on before it worked. The 2 different burnouts are working. The different settings for the lit torch burnout seem to be working fine. And we didn't need to change anything else. So, that's it. The only thing that's left to do is to make the MR. And I'll actually do that offline. And we can now go into our next project, which will be adding a plugin to OBS. So now I'm going to actually stop this video, and that'll be the end of this little series. So take care. I hope you enjoyed it, and check out the next one if you can. Thanks.